When anybody first gets started in sports car racing, Le Mans is at the top. And you can't talk sports car racing without talking Le Mans. From the first formulation of the team, Le Mans has always been a target.
Towards the end of last year, we got the word that we were going to go, and we started planning, and even today there's still final preparations to get ready to go to Le Mans.
Looking back at our success, one of the constant themes has been Michelin. We had worked with different tire brands in the past, but quickly realized that there's something different about Michelin.
Everybody works together. Since day one, everybody is working for the same goal. It's a proper team, and it's always focused on the one thing, which of course is Porsche winning racing.
Because we're going overseas, there's cultural differences, rules differences, regulation differences. It creates a really unique challenge, and it's also tough, so your car has to survive for 24 hours, and the goal is to finish. The second goal is to finish on the podium, and the third goal is to win, and we're going there to win.
I'm the rear end mechanic on the 912 car. Over in Le Mans, we'll be in the 94. I'm also the rear end tire changer. On the shop floor, we boxed out like the approximate size of the pit and everything. This is a big one off the bucket list. I don't know what to expect. I took French in high school. I didn't do so well.
I think there's going to be some culture shock there, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. They're going to feel out of place. It's going to be out of their comfort zone.
I expect great things from the race at Le Mans. I've learned that you control the things you do control, and you don't control the things you don't control. One of those things is the result of the race, but I think that we'll have a very well executed endurance race, and I think the results will follow.
Preparation is key. You feel like you can never be prepared enough. The long hours, the weekends, you put in that time to make sure that you're ready for what you never know.
Setup of the car is a big key, but tires is probably the biggest component of a car when it really comes down to it, and the Michelin tires are the best.
Tires are extremely important. You want them to be there in the end, and everything's riding on them.
If you're a tire changer, you're front end mechanic, you're race engineer, we've all done those things in big races over here, Daytona, Sebring, Petit Le Mans, and won. We just happen to go be doing it in a different country.
Always ready to go to Le Mans. I know a lot of the team have been wanting to go for a few years.
The race is difficult, but they are prepared, they are really motivated to win this race. It's our family team now, and we really want to win this race, and I'm 100% sure we can do it.
We've won all the major races over here in North America. Now it's time to conquer France.